I'm going to say this out loud. Rent the Runway is not the solution. So many women come to me because they've tried Rent the Runway and they're so frustrated. And I've tried it so that I could get some knowledge as a stylist on why it's not a good platform. Now, and I shouldn't say it's not a good platform. For certain occasions, I think Rent the Runway is fine. If you have a specific occasion to go to and you need a ball gown and you're not going to wear that again, then there's nothing wrong with going to Rent the Runway. But it's not a personalized solution. You also are limited on the sizes that are available, or the items that are available in your size. And if you're not a stylist, it's just as overwhelming to go on the Rent the Runway website than it is to go online shopping, because no one is telling you how to put an outfit together. You're having to figure that out all by yourself. The other thing is you're getting used clothes. And a lot of times they have this weird smell on them because they've gone through this dry cleaning process that I find the smell very off-putting on the clothes from it. Again, you're getting pieces, not wardrobes. And so that's why it's more efficient to work with a stylist, because a stylist can find things that are on sale, and so you can end up paying the same amount for new clothes that you like.